Hey, so this is a review of Kylie's liquid lip Commando. This is what it looks like. Got the packaging right here. It's one of her velvets. So instead of a matte, this is a velvet lip. It's like a hybrid between a gloss and a matte. And the color is like it's like a pretty, like dusty pink, I would say. Here's what it looks like on a lighter skin tone, which is what I have. I'm half white, half Mexican. So I didn't buy the lip liner, just the lipstick by its own, and I would say I'm pretty happy with all the velvets. I also have Jordy and Red Velvet as well. I'm pretty happy with all the ones I've gotten, but I really like this one in Birthday Suit. I think, personally, Commando is probably my favorite out of these, but I'll probably end up getting more in the future. I don't have enough money right now. But anyway, so I'll be doing some reviews of these other ones. I also have 22, Mary Jo, and Low Key. And then I also got one of the OG sets, which is the OG Lip Trio. So check those out and some of my other videos, and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.